Hello my amazing subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today I share with you this simple chocolate cake recipe without using your oven or either your air fryer. It's so easy to put together, and trust me, you are definitely going to love it. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. To begin with, I will start by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with some milk, 2 eggs, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll also go in with just a little bit of vanilla essence, my chocolate powder. You can also use cocoa powder if that is what you have. All right, mix it all together until everything is nice and well incorporated. Moving forward, I'll also go in with my sugar. Everything is totally to your taste. I'll stir beautifully and allow it to incorporate very well. Afterwards, I'll also go in with my cooking oil. If you don't have the cooking oil, you can also use margarine or butter if that is what you have. All right, mix it all together, and afterwards you can go in with your cake flour, your all-purpose flour or your plain flour. Moving forward, I'll also go in with just a little bit of salt to taste, baking powder and baking soda. I will stir everything together and allow everything to incorporate very well. Whilst that is going on, don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Click on that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after everything is nice and well incorporated, I will also grease and dust my pan with some cooking oil and also cocoa powder. You can replace the cocoa powder with some flour if that is what you have. All right, I will also pour in my cake mixture into my cake pan. Afterwards, I will transfer it on my stove top and allow it to bake until it's nice and ready. But before I bake my cake, I will spread a little bit of salt into my cooking pot, and I will allow the salt to heat up a little bit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so after the pan is hot enough, I'll also place in this metal tin, which is going to create a barrier from where the pot is and the baking pan. So afterwards, I'll place in my baking pan, cover it and allow it to bake for approximately 50 to 1 hour. And this is also the rest of the cake batter. I'm also going to be baking this on the stove top as well. So now let's bake this on low medium heat for about 1 hour until it is nice and ready. And don't forget as well to check your cake from time to time. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell as well so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 1 hour of baking the cake, this is how it turned out. As you can see, the toothpick came out so clean, and that indicates that it is ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this no oven or no air fryer cake recipe. It came out so good and I just love the taste as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, and be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching.